103 kilograms, 33% body fat. I was a professional chef who couldn't take care of myself. I watched every expert video I could find. The answer kept coming back to one thing: Mediterranean diet. But I'm a Korean chef, so I made it my own. Korean Mediterranean diet. 3 months later, 84 kilograms, 18% body fat. Today, I'm sharing 3 salads built on that exact principle. Let's get into it. Most people cook their beef. I don't. No added fat, no heat damage, just pure protein. Beef round, raw. The cleanest way to eat red meat, and it tastes unbelievable. Red meat is limited on Mediterranean diet. That's correct. But beef round is one of the leanest cuts you can find. Occasionally, the right amount, the right cut. That's how I eat. Chamnamul, 1 handful. Korean wild sesame leaves. Deep, earthy flavor, almost nutty. Loaded with calcium, iron, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Trim the tough ends off. Cut it bite-sized pieces. Rinse, drain well. Now, the dressing. This one does 2 jobs. Seasons the chamnamul and marinate the beef. Gochugaru, 3 spoons. Korean red pepper flakes, not cayenne, not paprika. Gochugaru. Soy sauce, 3 spoons. Stevia, 1 spoon. Zero sugar sweetener. Minced garlic, 2 spoons. Sesame oil, 3 spoons. Sesame oil. My olive oil for this dish. Same healthy fat, same anti-inflammatory effect. Mix well. Season the chamnamul with half the dressing. Add a splash of vinegar. Vinegar brightens the flavor and helps with fat metabolism. Toast well. Beef round, 200 grams. Remove the excess blood. Dress with the remaining dressing. Toast well. Chamnamul first. Brown rice, 1 bowl on top. Brown rice instead of white. Lower glycemic index, more fiber, stable blood sugar. Yukhoe on top. Pine nuts, healthy fat. Add richness. Chamnamul, antioxidant. Beef round, protein. Brown rice, complex carbs. Sesame oil, healthy fat. 1 bowl, complete nutrition. This is not diet food. This is just good food that happens to be good for you. Chicken breast, it doesn't have to be boring. This is proof. Garlic scapes. Most people outside Korea don't know this ingredient. It has the punch of garlic, but the texture of vegetable. Rich in allicin, the same compound that makes garlic good for your heart. Garlic scapes, 6 stalks. Trim the ends and seed parts off. Cut into bite-sized length. Blanch in salted boiled water for 30 seconds. Cool, drain. Chicken breast, 150 grams. Shred into pieces. Lettuce, 1 handful. Tear. Cherry tomatoes, 5. Half. Green onion slice. Now, the dressing. Dark soy sauce, 2 spoons. Perilla oil, 3 spoons. Allulose, 1 spoon. Vinegar, 1 spoon. Black pepper. Toasted sesame seeds, 2 spoons. Crush with your hands as you add them. Perilla oil instead of olive oil. Higher in omega-3s, deeper flavor. Mix well. Toss the chicken breast, garlic scapes, and dressing together. Lettuce first, chicken and garlic scapes mixture on top. Cherry tomatoes, green onions, whole wheat crackers. Crush them on top like croutons. Whole wheat, more fiber, slower digestion, better for blood sugar. Garlic scapes, sesame, perilla oil, whole wheat. This is Korean Mediterranean diet in 1 bowl. Pork belly is also limited on Mediterranean diet. That's correct. But a diet you can't sustain is not a diet. It's a suffering. If you are going to eat, and sometimes you will, this is how you eat right. Naengi, shepherd's purse, a Korean spring wild green, slightly bitter, mineral flavor, rich in vitamin A and C. Scrape the roots clean with a knife. Rinse 5 times under running water. It's worth it. Drench in salted boiled water for 1 minute 30 seconds. Rinse to cool and drain well. Cut the prepared naengi into bite-sized pieces. Boil the buckwheat noodles 50 grams. Rinse, cool, drain. Buckwheat, low glycemic index, high protein, for a grain. Slice the pork belly 200 grams thin. Pork belly suyuk, boiled, not fried. Most of the fat already gone. Shred the cabbage 1/8. Slice the green onions. Now the dressing. Low sugar gochujang 1 spoon. Vinegar 3 spoons. Allulose 2 spoons. Minced garlic ½ spoons. Perilla oil 2 spoons. Crushed sesame 2 spoons. Yeondu 1 spoon. Mix well. Toast the buckwheat noodles in the dressing. Pork belly first. Dress the noodles in the center. Cabbage on top. Naengi and green onions. Perilla oil, higher in omega-3 than olive oil, and it tastes like Korea. This is how I eat pork belly and still lost 19 kilograms. Korean Mediterranean diet. 3 salads, 1 principle. Korean ingredients, Mediterranean science. This is how I lost 19 kilograms without suffering through a single meal. If you try any of these, drop a comment, tell me which one. I read every single one. Subscribe if you want more of this. And I'm Baeksam, and this is the most delicious way to care of yourself. Thank you for watching.